There are rules to be followed when earthing a coaxial feeder cable. If feeder cable lengths exceed 50 meters, then the Ericsson grounding guidelines recommend installing extra outdoor grounding kits on feeder cables. These are to be installed at 30-meter intervals. To learn more about earthing, you should follow the grounding guidelines document supplied by Ericsson. To earth a feeder cable, we need to fit a connection plate to the bottom of the tower. This we call the tower base bonding bar. To couple the tower base bonding bar to the main earth conductor, we use a C-clamp. Crimp cables together using the proper crimping tool. It is very important to achieve the right compression to form an efficient low-resistance contact. It is also important to crimp the C-clamp in 2 places to get the maximum use of the clamp. Connect the connection bar to the earth cable that was already fitted. Tighten the connection firmly. To earth a feeder cable, we need to make a weatherproof connection to the coaxial cable outer conductor. Offer one of the feeder grounding kits to the connection bar to determine where it should be positioned. Once you know the position, you can continue and prepare the shielding of the feeders using the special Andrews tool. If several feeder cables are to be closely positioned, then it may not be practical to fit all the feeder earth connections at the same level. They should be staggered to allow working space for installation and future maintenance. When the cable outer insulation has been removed, fit the grounding kits according to the instructions given in the kits. You will need to apply pressure to the assembly to get a good seal. This is done with a pair of heavy pliers to press the 2 halves together. The heavy pliers could be polygrip or slip joint pliers. The cable tail from the grounding kit is connected to the earthing bar and must be tightened properly. Now that the cables have been earthed, we can continue to fit the cleats that support the remainder of the feeder cables.